Here we have a stunning example of the CBR500R in the lovely black. Some really nice extras to this one. Some bobbins down there, seat cowl. Of course it's got the sports pack fitted, so it does come with the seat cowl, tank pad there, wheel stripes you can see on front and rear tyres, and of course a termignoni exhaust, which I'll run over in a second. It's a one owner bike, had 2 services already, all serviced by us as well, so we know the bike really well. And the crash bungs on there just for the added peace of mind. There's your termignoni exhaust as well. So it's got about 1,095 miles on the clock, nothing really, it's barely just been run in. We'll fire it up, give it a listen. Kill switch would help. So give it a bit of nice meaty throaty exhaust there. There she is a lovely bike, almost as new.